business. Yes, I want to show off a little bit. This is what I've got now, not this little thing here, but I've got 5 billboards throughout the city. I want to teach you how to do this, how to be successful in this business. Stay with me. Why? Because I do this ongoingly, man. Since 2018, I established my senior referral business, and I want to teach you today how to win in this business. You must do 10 things. They're all timestamped below in the description. So if you don't skip through the video, go ahead. But you're going to need to do these 10 things if you want to be successful. Let's get to it. The first thing you must do, and it's 3 C words coming at you right now, is clarity, commitment, and the third thing is coaching. You must do all 3 of those things if you want to be successful in this business. Why is that? You need clarity. I mean, why are you doing this business? So many people try to hop in this business, get a quick buck, just get a name and number and drop it off somewhere. And maybe I'll get a couple $1,000s, get some Christmas money, whatever it may be, right? That's not the reason you should be in this business. It should be to help people. I see myself more as an advocate for seniors than I do as a referral agent. Whatever your clarity is, you need to get that. And then commitment, man, you need to be all in. Again, not the quick buck thing. You're in it just today and not tomorrow, but you're in it today, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. When I got in this business 2018, I dove in 30 feet of water, and I better learn how to swim if I didn't know, but I know how to swim, right? I got in there, swim with the sharks, killing it. We do more business than any local agency in the Fresno, Clovis, California area. You can look it up if you want. Go to StaffordSeniorSolutions.com. You can do all this, but I want to teach you, but that is the second C, right? Clarity, commitment, and then you're going to need some coaching. You're going to need somebody to speak into your life. Now, I've got some coaches in my own life. They speak into my life, telling me things I should do and things that I shouldn't do, and why this is being successful and why this is not. Too many people don't want coaching because they just want to try to do it themselves. I've got students that came late into the game. They tried this business early on for about 8 months. They had their website, they had their business cards. They're out talking to people, getting their referral agreements, doing all the necessary steps. Just couldn't get any leads, couldn't get any business. You need coaching. The second step in order to win in this business is you need to know the process. There's no shortcuts about this. You need to know what it takes to get a senior from skilled nursing to a residential care home, or from a hospital to a large community, whether it be a memory care, whether it be an assisted living, independent community. There's a lot of different ways to go with this, and there is a process. I'm not even talking about the sales process. I'm just talking about the process of how to do this business, and you need to know it, because if you think you're going to go out and start speaking to social workers, social service directors, and case managers and all the rest, and you don't know the lingo, you don't know what to do, and you say, hey, I'm just here to help, can I make a few phone calls for you? They're not looking for somebody that's, got the gift of administration. They can pick up a phone and start dialing numbers. They're looking for somebody who can help residents, someone can help families, and you need to know the process. Matter of fact, when you get on the phone with somebody, be a family member, they're going to know if you know the process, because if you don't, they're going to be able to smell that out, man. They're going to be like, you don't know what he's talking about. But if you do, it's going to resound loudly. They're going to have confidence in you, and they're going to go with you, and you're going to be able to help out someone. So you need to know the process. The third thing you must do to win at this business is you have to get leads no matter what. And you say, what does that mean? I mean, come on, teach me how to do a lead funnel. And now in the academy, I teach you a lot of my strategies, my tactics, and how to be successful at this business. But you've got to have a determination to get leads, man. That means pounding the phone sometimes. That means putting yourself in a place of being uncomfortable. You're talking to somebody. Maybe you're not, you don't like going up and knocking on doors or talking to somebody about a situation that you don't really know them. It's kind of an awkward thing for you. You're going to have to get over that, man. So you're going to have the mindset of getting leads no matter what. I mean, that is the lifeblood of your business. If you get no leads, you've got no business. You can have a sign like the one behind me, the billboards all over the place. But man, if you're not out getting leads, if you're not getting business, you're not in business. The fourth thing to do to win in this business is you need to work on your business as you go. Now, I do it ass backwards, I guess, but a lot of your franchises will tell you, hey, buy our franchise, obviously, put all that money on the table. And then as you put all that money on the table, this is the process. You need to learn. You need to go out and get all your referral agreements and do all that stuff. Get your website, get your business cards. I mean, here I got all kinds of business cards. I don't do brochures. You follow me. I just don't, but I do nice, slick business cards, man. You got to be able to do that kind of thing. But what I did to start my business is I worked on my business as I went. I didn't slow down and get caught up in developing my website before I made a phone call. I didn't order business cards and say, well, I got to wait till I get this exactly right before I start talking to people about my business. No, I started putting it out on social media. I started telling people, calling people, networking, doing different things. I was doing the work. So you've got to work on your business as you go. If you don't, you're going to be so far behind the game. What's going to happen if you don't work on your business as you go? I'm telling you what's going to happen. You're going to spend 30 days getting it all set up. Then at the end of 30 days, you're not going to be real satisfied with it. So you're going to spend the next 2 weeks kind of moving things around a little bit, adjusting. You didn't like the picture in the corner, so let's put it in the bottom left. And you didn't like the way your business card turned out. So one of the words is misspelled, so you got to order new business cards, whatever it may be, right? And you're going to get caught, and then it's going to be 2 or 3 months going by, and then you're going to lose momentum. That is the key to winning this business. When you're doing your business as you go, when you're working on it, you are gaining momentum. And that's one of the secret sauces to be successful in this business is we have tremendous momentum in our business right now. People call us left and right. I was doing a teaching last night and got a call from a social service director about a lead right on the phone. I took it so they could actually hear what I'm talking about and what's going on, how the dialogue is supposed to go. And that's one of the reasons why you need a coach, but you need to do your business as you go. Don't get it all set up before you make the first phone call. Start doing the work. And as you're doing the work, working on leads, create your website, work on some more leads, get a business card, get some more leads, go get a sign behind you, whatever you want to do, or go get some more billboards, go do what you got to do, but work on your business as you go. The fifth thing you must do to be successful in this business is you need to network without sucking up. You know what I'm saying? Too many people want to go to all these parties. They want to go to all these different functions. They want to hang around people. And sometimes they don't even like the individual. You know what? If I don't like them, I'm not hanging around them. I just plain and simple, man. I network without sucking up. I want to go after people that are like-minded, people that are in similar industry as I am. Doesn't mean they're in the senior referral business, but you know what I'm saying? They're working in assisted living. They're at a skilled nursing facility, work at a hospital. They might be a nurse, a doctor, whatever it may be. They come in contact with seniors. They might live near a senior community, whatever it is. But I network without sucking up. Again, bottom line, I don't like you. I'm not networking with you. I want people that are for me. I need positive energy around me. And I would encourage you to do the same thing. If you're going to win at this business, you're going to need to network. But don't suck up. Don't sell yourself out. Don't go after people, to be a part of your network. If there's no chemistry there, it doesn't mean you're trying to date them or anything. But I'm talking about you just don't like talking to them. Because in my network of people, I text them, they text me back. I call them, they call me back if they can't answer right away. And we like each other. We trust each other. We have similar vision of what we want to do. And that is what you need to do. Network without sucking up.